attack the bird. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum. Look at the bird in the window. Since many days I did not put bread outside, and then today I put some bread. Now the birds.
It's pudding.
Yeah, the bird looks very hungry. They come and attack the bread. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Look, baby, are you gonna come near to the birds?
Yeah.
Look. Cannot breathe. Look, the mouth is so full.
And
Happy birthday. Go. Looky. Baby, look. Give some water. Shall we give some water to the birds?
yeah.
Look. Others will come. Look, others are coming too.
It's falling.
It's flying. Now let's wait for others to come. Look, the bread are there. And baby, look. Behind the door of the window. It's getting a big piece of bread.
Look, I can meow.
Look. It's gonna fly.
It's gonna.
Yeah. Look. It's going.
Going now.
Now.
Watch.
This one. Look. I think there are some more coming. Let's check. Maybe look. Look here. Looky. Look, one more is coming maybe. Oh, look.
Benjamin, would you do the honors?
Look. They move to the other roof. They bring the bread to the other building. Say, enjoy, birdies.
Enjoy birdie.
Enjoy
Now,
your meal.
Enjoy your meal.
Yeah. Are you full
like
now?
Are you full now?
Drink some water.
Drink some water. Oma drinks water too.
Yeah, I give you your water. Here's your water.
Oma drink water too.
Yeah, look, birdies are happy now.
I'm the cat
You say
now.
bye, birdies.
Bye, birdie.